Ever wondered how the digital world of business manages to move money across borders faster than you can say global trade? It's a complex dance of currencies, regulations, and bank transfers that often feels clunky and slow. For a long time, this was just the cost of doing business internationally. But what if there was a better way? A platform that could streamline everything, from payments to spending, and help your business expand globally without the financial friction? That's where Airwallex comes in. It's not just another payment processor, it's a financial infrastructure designed for modern businesses. Think of it as the ultimate financial toolkit for a company operating in today's global economy. At its core, Airwallex helps businesses send and receive money internationally, but it goes so much deeper than that. Let's break down the key products that make Airwallex so powerful. First, there's the global account. Imagine having local bank accounts in dozens of countries, all from a single platform. This isn't just about convenience, it's about speed and cost. When you get paid in USD from a customer in the US, the money goes into your US dollar account, avoiding hefty conversion fees. When you need to pay a supplier in euros, you can do it from your euro account, with rates that are far more competitive than what traditional banks offer. This product alone can save businesses thousands, if not tens of thousands, of dollars a year in foreign exchange fees. Next up are borderless cards. These are a game changer for managing global expenses. Instead of dealing with multiple company credit cards and complex expense reporting, you can issue virtual and physical cards to your team members in various currencies. These cards can be controlled with spending limits and specific usage rules, giving you a crystal clear view of your company's expenditure in real time, no matter where your team is located. Then we have online payments. For any business with an e-commerce store or a digital presence, accepting payments from customers around the world is crucial. Airwallex's platform integrates seamlessly with your website, allowing you to accept payments in over 150 currencies. The best part? The payment gateways are optimized for global transactions, which means higher conversion rates and fewer failed payments, helping you maximize your revenue potential. Finally, there's Airwallex's API. This is where things get really interesting for tech-savvy businesses. The API allows you to programmatically manage your global finances. You can build custom workflows for mass payouts, integrate foreign exchange rates directly into your software, and automate financial operations that would otherwise require manual intervention. It's the kind of flexibility that allows a startup to scale into a multinational corporation without outgrowing its financial tools. In essence, Airwallex takes the complexity out of global finance, providing a unified platform for everything from payments to expense management. It's about empowering businesses to think bigger, operate globally, and save time and money in the process. It's the financial backbone for the next generation of global companies. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.